Today I'm going to be doing some cosmetic mods on my 2018 Kawasaki KLX140L. Most of them are right here on my treadmill. That's my storage box right now. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and do the handlebar risers because I do need to fix this handlebar. Looks like this little, I don't even know what you call it, the thing that mounts to it is bent. So I'm going to try to unbend that. It looks like it just might have came out of place. Do y'all see how this one is straight and flush with the forks, and this one over here it's up a little bit? You can, my eyes are lined up, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's a little off. It looks like that's built into it. So what I'm gonna do is get a mallet and I'm just gonna beat that thing in flat, and I think that will fix it. All right, let's see if it beats back in. Yeah, that's way better. Way better. So now I need to grab the handlebar risers wherever they are. Tusk Performance. I like Tusk. I've never had an issue with them. I like their clutches. It's pretty much all I run in my four-wheelers. I've never burned one up, so that means something. Oh, I see. It goes in that groove. Cool, dude. So we then line that back up to where it was. You can see where the old grooves are right here. So that's where I'm going to line it up with. If I can get a few started, I'll be good. So now I need to get a 6mm Allen wrench, it looks like, and we'll be done with the handlebar risers. Those look sharp. I like that. Alright guys, the handlebar risers are fully installed now and tightened down. I don't have the seat on, but I'm going to go ahead and try to sit on it. Wow! Yeah, that sits way up there. So that compared with the big wheel, it's definitely going to feel like a bigger bike, probably like 125 maybe. That feels really, really good. I like that a lot, actually. So now that I have the handlebars on, I might as well go ahead and put the handlebar pad on. Let's see where I put it. Here it is. So I have this Outlaw handlebar pad that goes right here. So we'll go ahead and get that installed. That looks amazing. I like that color. They had a few different color options, but I figured since my graphics are white and green, the plastics are black and green, so I also didn't want to get a green handlebar pad. So I guess now I'm going to go ahead and take these old grips off. They're not in bad condition, but I'm going to go ahead and install the brand new Pro Taper green, black, and white grips that I bought and get them installed. That way that part's done. Go ahead and do the whole handlebar because that's pretty much what it inclines. So now I'm gonna go get a knife and cut those off. Okay, I'm gonna use these scissors to cut these grips off because they're strong. It doesn't look like there's really any glue underneath, so that's kind of weird. Easy as that. Easy as that. Is this a sticker? Oh, it is. Wait, is it? Yeah, it is. I'm gonna keep that. Let me make sure these fit. I'm pretty sure I bought the right size, 7/8. One of these grips is gonna be bigger, and it's this one that actually is for the throttle because that side is bigger because it has the throttle on it. So this is this side. I'm just putting it on there to make sure it fits good. I might have to adjust the kill switch. Wow, that also looks very good. Is that all the way in? I'll actually have to move that kill switch over a little bit. Not a problem though. I don't even know if I need glue. That's on there. Yeah. Heck, if they don't need it, I'm not gonna use it. That looks so good. Wow. Time to do the rest. Start with the back fender. Use some tape to put it in place. That took a minute to get lined up, but now we just gotta squeegee it out. Well, that looks incredible. I still gotta flatten it just a little bit, but it looks nice and straight on each side. These pieces of tape really help, you know, help line it up and keep them where they need to stay. Like right there is an air bubble I gotta pull out, but other than that, that thing looks really good. Well, I'll finish this side. This piece down here is a nightmare. I don't think it fits right, but it is what it is. Everything else fits nicely. Sweet. What's going on, everybody? Today in this video, I'm going to be making one last ride on the KLX140L. I finally finished the thing, other than changing the oil and cleaning the chain. I got all the graphics installed, the hand guards, the handlebar risers, the handlebar pads, the gas cap vent. Let's see, I think that's about it. We did the air filter. I just need to change the oil and clean the chain, and this thing's pretty much done. I already have it listed for sale. So I'm gonna do one last ride on this thing. I got it dialed in and running really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing for a ride. Need to get it outside. That's a good looking bike right there. I painted the exhaust black. For some reason, the paint on the headers of these bikes are very weak, and everyone I see on the internet looked like mine, all rusty and dirty. All right, guys, I haven't warmed it up today. It is purely cold. That's actually really cold. So let's go ahead and pull the choke up. We'll see if she starts up instantly. It took me a while to get her dialed in, but she should be dialed in. Oh yeah. That's what I like to see. No smoke. no ticking. Sounds good. Oh yeah, I also put the new grips on. I've kind of been taking December to get caught up on some projects while I have family in town. But once January comes, I'm going to be making some awesome content. I'm going to be switching some things up. So stay tuned for that. Y'all are probably gonna hear some wind, so I'm sorry about that. I need to get a wind protector or a dead cat, whatever they call it. A little chilly outside today. Ow. Running really good, better than it ever has. Brakes work great. Really good, really good. a good looking bike, guys. It's a good looking bike. Turned out really, really good. I'll go ahead and show a video when I first got this thing, because when I first got it, it was really rough. I definitely cleaned it up a lot, polished the wheels, did everything. Okay, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing off the 2018 Kawasaki KLX140L that I just traded for. I traded Big Bertha, my 2005 Arctic Cat 500 four-wheel drive, plus 800 on top. I got 800 on top, rather. But she's a little beat up, but it is a 2018 model, so hopefully it still runs really good. Last time I rode it, I know it ran good, so I assume it still does. I have the cover right here. I just need to put it on. I guess something broke off. Might have to replace it. Sounds really good and healthy. All right, let's keep going. Slip there. A little muddy through here. Smooth running bike, man. Can't complain. Well guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Leave a like if you did enjoy, subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to follow me on Snapchat and TikTok at DBACan. Peace out.